Hello everybody, it's Chris, and welcome back to another Amiga 3000 episode. In this episode, we're going to try installing this memory. This is 8 megabytes of 16-bit sims. I guess they're 1 meg sims. 8 megs. This is a expansion systems memory or data flyer memory board. It has a bottom like pass through to go on an actual data flyer SCSI or IDE board, or they even have a SCSI and IDE board. I have one new in a box and I haven't used it yet. I have a SCSI and an IDE. But this is the memory board for that, and it can be used as a standalone. There are a couple jumpers here. It says plus A2000 is on and Data Flyer 2000 off. Okay, that really doesn't tell me much about what is what. Let me put on my goober glasses here. But it has jumpers here, as you can see, for the different memory configurations, and they can either be 256K or 1 meg chips. And you can see, because these two are jumpered, it is the 8 meg board on the 1 meg chips. I did replace the capacitors on here with some newer ones, one in each corner. So 1, 2, 3, 4. They're all brand new, so I don't have to worry about that. And a couple resistors, nothing on the back, just some pass-through. So the 3000 here, as you watched previously, had 12 megs. It now has a full 16 megs of zip20 60 nanosecond RAM. 85 or faster is what it requires from the book. So I want to see if I get 24. So if I toss this in to a Zorro 2 slot, I should be able to get this thing going. I guess it only goes this way, because it can't go the other way. Boy, that's tight. Doesn't really fit too well. It's kind of like crooked a little bit. This doesn't like line up. I guess when the case is on and it's squished, it will. I don't know. I don't want to bend it too much. That's my SCSI cable. So in here, okay, plugging it in. I would do the capture on the actual monitor, and I apologize for that noise in the background. It is my hot water heater. So we're just going to push the button, and I'm using the Amiga Kit optical mouse. Now if this works, at least my hard drive light didn't poop out. If this works, I should get my Workbench 3141 and 23 megs of fast RAM, as you can see right here. So let's run a test on it. I get so used to the Vampire. The 030 here is kind of hanging along. I'm just going to use Advanced Amiga Analyzer. Let's do a show config first. Let's see what it says. Why doesn't this show my boards? 16 meg, 8 meg, 2 meg. So this is the fast, this is the 16-bit RAM, and this is the 2 mega chip. We have an 8 meg RAM board and a 64K. That is the other board for the AMAX card. Alright, we're just going to use the AAA and go to memory and test it. Wow, look at all this stuff. So we passed. Yay, we passed. All the memory is good. That's that. And there's one thing I have to try that I don't know if it's going to work. And that is the 4th time repaired Plipbox. So I'm going to turn off the Amiga. I'm going to plug in my RJ45 Ethernet cord. And that will go into this. up, and then we'll turn it back on. And I put the Plipbox device version 5 drivers on the 3000. Plipbox device, I want to make sure that it is the Plipbox device. Oops. Devs. I think I had a Plipbox V5. Okay, so Plipbox device. I have a V5, so 8160. Loading Miami. Alright. Error trying to configure the Sana 2 device. Okay, Control Alt M. Interface. Sana 2 Ethernet. Yep, that's right. We'll do DHCP. Save. Go online. Can't configure the Ethernet device. Damn it. Alright. Delete this one. Let's try V5 original. I'm renaming these because I don't know which one is what, or which one even works. Does this turd even work? You know, I don't know. I mean, there's no lights on it. Is it supposed to be lights? Don't buy one of these. At least don't buy this one. Ah. Well, this is a great another. Alright. Did it go online? Okay. Unable to determine your IP address. So let's do something. Static, static, static. Make it a little wider so I can see what the IP address. 1.10. Miami is now online with no, it's not doing anything. Alright, so if Miami's online, supposedly this worked. I have no lights on the turd box. Nothing. Well, it may work for you. Doesn't work for me. I'm going to run Miami again. We're going to work. I am spoiled with the speed of an 080. Thank you. Okay. We're still getting nothing over there. I just want to see if it is answering. So we're going to go into my communications in there. Let's run it. Let's get this out. Click me first. No. Wow. There it is. Please don't crash the machine. Alright. It is not working because I would normally get terminal commands where I could see it. Yeah, it's not a serial. It's not a serial device. As soon as I hit a key, Plipbox device. So my default's there. Still no pings. It's not getting nothing. So that's what it looks like. It gets 5-volt. And yeah, I don't know what's wrong with it. This is my second one. I gave one away. the first time, so I bought another one, and this one just doesn't work at all. So I'm not buying a third one. If I do, I am definitely not buying this one, and I suggest that you don't either, because they use a micro SD for power, and it is super easy to go like this and bend it right off. What a piece of shit. Did that because I don't give a crap about that one. So to hell with that thing. I am not worried about it. I am not worried about the stupid Plipbox. It's an utter piece of garbage, and in the trash it shall go. It's very temperamental. There we go. Hey, is the date and time correct? Yay! Alright. So, anyway, that's it. At least we got the RAM board working. And if you own an Amiga, yours is probably as temperamental as these are. So with that, we're going to conclude, and we have a working Data Flyer Expansion Systems 8 meg RAM board. We have a total of 24 megs of fast RAM and 2 megs of chip. We're still rocking the AMAX and all that stuff. I've been using it pretty regularly. It's been a lot of fun. I enjoy the high definition disk drive, and it works well on the Macintosh side. And I was thinking about taking one out and sticking it in the 2000, so I have a high definition disk drive. But it doesn't have a faceplate, and the Amiga 3000 has molded faceplates on its front case, and they're non-removable, at least on this model. So that's all I have for today, everybody. As always, thank you for watching my plunder and my troubles. It's enjoyable to me, and I just enjoy sharing it with you. So, thumbs up for me, and I hope you learned something. Don't buy a Plipbox from GuruNet. Cheers.